I'm about to make a house call for a couple that need a new front entrance. I need to help her get organized and craft her a craft room. I'm gonna help her renovate her bedroom in a day. So I'm gonna show them how to make it over in a day. This is a bathroom renovation in a day. Lucas, how you doing, man? Oh yeah. Whoa. Beautiful. Oh! I'm putting on my Schluter Fast Set right now, which is a quick drying mortar. Perfect for doing a reno in a day. Called on my friends at Gladiator. Champion generator. I'm gonna use the Para Ultra Hybrid Technology paint. Thomasville cabinets, Techno metal posts, Stearns & Foster. We are going to make sound panels. We're gonna use our Rockwool Comfort Board 80. Sound panel test. I almost ran into a wall. Step away from me, lady. Ah! That's it.
No.
There we go.
This is it. Boom, boom, boom. Ready to get your bathroom back? Are you ready for this? Open up your eyes.
Wow! Oh my gosh!
Oh,
How are you feeling?
So excited!
Thank you
so much.
Dude, bring it in.